What color is the apple? Red.
What color is the pumpkin? Orange.
What color is the banana? What color is the leaf? What color is the sky? What color are the grapes? What color is the cotton candy? Pink!
What color is the teddy bear? What color is the cat?
What color is the bunny? What color is the elephant? Gray.
Can you name all the colors?
Red, yellow, green, blue, purple.
What color is the banana?
Yellow!
What color are the shoes?
Red!
Great job! You know all the colors!